நீ போ. If you are if you go, நீ போனால். This is present. In if, this is called first type. In if class, we have three types: first type, second type, third type. Already I have posted the video if first type. Today we are going to discuss about if class third type. First type we have simple present tense. If you go. Look at the second sentence. If you had gone. If you had gone. In Tamil we say நீ போயிருந்தால். போகல, போயிருந்தா something நடந்திருக்கும், அதை பற்றி சொல்கிறோம். So if you had gone, here had plus past participle, go present tense, went past tense, gone past participle. So had plus past participle is nothing but past perfect tense. So in if we have three types. First type we use simple present tense. Third type. What about second type? Second type let's discuss in the later. Today we are going to discuss about third type only. So in third type we use past perfect tense. What is the formula of past perfect tense? Had plus past participle. So if you had gone. If you had gone. In Tamil we say நீ போயிருந்தால். Look at second sentence. If you ask. If you ask. நீ கேட்டால். If you ask. நீ கேட்டால். This is first type. Here ask is a simple present verb. So if you find a present verb in the if class, definitely that is a first type. If you had asked. In Tamil we say நீ கேட்டிருந்தால். If you had asked. So here had asked is a past perfect tense. Obviously this is if third class. Look at the third example. If you work hard. Here work hard is present verb. So instead of saying work hard, we can say toil. T-O-I-L, toil. Strive. S-T-R-I-V, strive. So work hard, toil, strive, all are in Tamil we say kadinamaga ulaithal. So if you work hard, this is if first type. If you had worked hard. Had is a past perfect tense. Why are we using worked? Because following had we should use only past participle, isn't it? So past participle of work is worked. So if you had worked hard. So hope you have understood, children. In if we have three types. First type, second type, third type. First type, second type, third type. In first type we use simple present. Third type we use past perfect tense. Let's go to the next example. Yes, look at the sentence. If you go fast. Here go is the present, simple present. So this is if class first type. If you go fast, you may catch the bus. Isn't it? If you go fast, you may catch the bus. In Tamil we say நீ வேகமாக போனால் பஸ்ஸை பிடிக்கலாம். May means lam. If you go fast, you may catch the bus. This if class first type. What about the if class third type? What's the speciality of if class third type means? Whenever we want to say about the incident that not happened. Whenever we want to describe an incident that not happened. That means நடக்காத விஷயத்தை discuss பண்ணும்போது if class third type use பண்ணுவோம். You should use third type. You should never forget if class third type means obviously had plus past participle in the subordinate class. In the main class would have, could have, might have. So look at the example. If you had gone fast. In first type we say if you go fast. In third type we say if you had gone fast. We are using gone. Here below look, go present verb, when past verb, past participle gone. I am repeatedly saying whenever we use have, has, heard, we have to use past participle. So gone is the past participle of go. If you had gone fast, you might have caught the bus. Might have caught. Might have plus past participle. The verb what we are using is catch. Past participle of catch is caught. Catch, caught, caught. So you might have caught the bus. நீ பஸ்ஸை பிடிச்சிருந்திருக்கலாம். I told you already in if third type we use past perfect tense in the subordinate class. In the main class definitely there will be three. What are they? Either might have or could have or would have. These are the verbs which describe the incident that not happened or that didn't happen. So you might have caught the bus. What is the meaning here? The boy or girl, they try to catch the bus, but they go slow. As they are going slowly, they couldn't catch the bus. They missed the bus. So at that time, another person or friend or some other relative says, if you had gone fast, you might have caught the bus. Let's go for next example.